Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to archive a Google Classroom using the Google Classroom application on your Android device. Archiving is useful for keeping your old classes organized without deleting any content, so here is how you can do it. First of all, open up Google Classroom application on your Android device or any of your other device, and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, from the home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner, and from the menu, select Classes. All of your classes will be displayed on the screen. Tap the three dots right next to the class you want to archive and click the Archive button. Now click on the Archive button in the pop-up once again, and once you do that, you and your students won't be able to make changes on the class. You can view this class in Archived Classes in the main menu and can find all classes in Drive. Click on Archive to confirm, and then you will be able to archive the selected class on Google Classroom. If you ever want to view the archived class, all you need to do is to tap on the menu button at the top left from the home screen and then click on Archived Classes from the left-hand menu. Soon after you do that, you can then go ahead and access the class from the archive folder. If you ever want to unarchive the class, you can tap on the three dots right next to the class and click on Restore, and in the pop-up click Restore once again in order to get it back to your class list. So that's how you can successfully archive and unarchive a Google Classroom, keeping your dashboard organized without losing any student work or materials. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.